Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018, guys. And if you're trying to find the fuel pump fuse, we'll show you where it is located. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. We created this channel so we can save you as much money as we can and help you fix your car for free. So if your Ford Focus doesn't start and it sounds like a fuel pump issue, we'll have a different video that will explain what that sounds like and all that stuff, so please check it out. We'll show you where that fuel pump fuse is located. So now you have some fuses under the hood, okay? There is a fuse box, but it's not there. Actually, the fuse is inside the vehicle. And we need to go ahead and open, okay, we need to open the passenger door. And we have the glove box removed, so we can show you where the fuses are, but you do not have to remove the glove box. You can access the fuses from underneath, okay? Right there, and the fuse spool is actually in the fuse box under the hood, but the fuse that we're looking at, you will not be able to access it with the fuse spool. We'll need to use small pliers to do that. And you can see those are the fuses. You just access them laying on the floor. The only thing, okay, that you might have to disconnect, okay, is that carpet piece right here. Okay, so you can get more room, because that piece will be here, okay, like that. Okay, let me show you now quick. Okay, it needs to go here. Okay, that piece will be over here, and in order, guys, okay, to remove it, you have only two plastic retainers here. Okay, and those you squish right there and push them in. When you're ready to pull it out, you squish, pull those out, both of them. You have one here, one there, and then just pull that piece and you'll be able to reach your fuses. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, the fuse that we need is number 56. This is the very top fuse on the left side. And the number is written next to the fuse on the right side, so we can double check it. So I'll go ahead, okay, use the small pliers now to pull the fuse out. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the fuse, guys. Usually you can see, looking at the fuse, okay, let me grab it because I just dropped it. You can see the element, okay, and tell for sure if it's burnt or not. Okay, that element inside, I'm trying to focus. Okay, you can see right here, if that element is burnt, you're going to see like a hole inside. Ours, in our case, it's fine. So this is the fuse, guys. In our case, it's 20 amp fuse. Okay, so that's how you remove it. That's where it's located. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. All we have to do is just push it in the right slot, okay, number 56, and install it. So thank you for watching, guys. Okay, please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.